Hey guys, breaking news here. I am about to go look at a barn find. No lie. A 1957 Porsche 356A Speedster. The real deal. Barn find. So I gotta go drive a ways, and for you it'll only seem like a few seconds, but I don't know if I'll be able to film when I'm there, so I'm about to leave to look at this barn find, 1957 356A Speedster. So wish me luck. To be continued. And here we are taking the new Speedster to my house, to Beth's garage. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. More to come.